So hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna draw Indian version of Flash in Photoshop. So let's get started. In very first we need a most handsome Indian guy for this role, and we all know who he is. First I import the image and then add some color values. Now it's look great. And the most important thing is keep saving your progress time to time. Now I am smudging the whole face to look more dynamic. And now my favorite part, sketching. So I am down the opacity of the image. Now I am taking a new layer and start giving a nice suit. Now I am taking one more layer for refining my outlines. I am choosing brownies and red color for his suit. And now I am adding some detailings. Oof, so much detailings. Let's finish this. So it is done. Now I draw a flash patch on his chest. I am using pen tool to make this electric sign. And now I'm adding some detailings on face and eyes. Almost done. Now I'm drawing some electric waves. And after draw the background, this is the final reveal.